You open YouTube, type Claude skills, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, a podcast somehow. You scroll, then you find that video. You are in the right place. In the next 90 seconds, you'll know exactly what Claude skills are, how to build one the smart way, and how to deploy it in Claude. Let's not waste it. So what actually is a skill? It's a folder, one markdown file inside skill.md. That file is Claude's permanent SOP for a specific task. Your coding standards, your brand voice, your workflow rules, all in one place. And here's the part most people miss. Claude doesn't load the full skill every time. It only reads the name and description until the task actually matches. Zero token bloat, zero context pollution. It stays invisible until it's needed. Here's the smart way to build one without starting from scratch. Go to GitHub or skillsmp.com. Find a high-quality community skill and paste the raw content into Notebook LM. Then ask it to analyze the structure and rebuild it around your exact needs, your tone, your rules, your logic. You're not guessing at a format. You're taking a proven framework and replacing the defaults with what actually matters to you. Once Notebook LM generates your skill, install the Notebook LM Markdown Exporter Chrome extension. Export as .md, put it in a folder, zip it, rename the zip to .skill. How to deploy it? For Claude.ai, go to Customize. Skills, upload that .skill folder. From that point, Claude triggers it automatically, no /command, no reminder. You can toggle a skill off anytime to hide it without losing it, or hit the 3 dots next to it and select delete to remove it completely. Now, if you're using Claude Code in the terminal, skills work differently. No zip upload, no customize page. Claude Code looks for skills in a specific folder on your machine. You need to create a subfolder for each skill inside .claude/skills. That subfolder name is how Claude Code identifies it. First, create the folder, then copy your skill.md into it using this command that contain your skill path and Claude Code skills folder path. That's your global install. Works across every project on your machine. Want it scoped to one project only? Navigate into your project folder first. Create the skill subfolder, then copy your skill into it. Restart Claude Code, type /skills. If your skill shows up, you're done. Also, you can find it inside your project. One more thing, the /plugins command. Once your skills are installed, type /plugins in Claude Code. That's your control panel. Discover shows you community skills you don't have yet. Browse directly from the terminal, no browser needed. Installed, list every skill currently active in your session. Marketplace, this is the full catalog. Verified skills, community-built skills, all you need is to add that marketplace source. Also, we have errors. If a skill isn't triggering, /plugins tells you exactly why. Subscribe, like, comment for more AI tricks that hits the difference.